In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip horizontally in Photopea quickly and easily, whether you want to mirror a person, an object, or even a piece of text without affecting the rest of your background design. This is a really useful trick for creating clean edits, symmetrical layouts, and polished graphics in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and design tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and look at the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. This step is important because you want to make sure you're selecting only the specific layer you want to flip. For example, if you only want to mirror a person, a product, or a word in your design, clicking the correct layer keeps everything else untouched. Now click on the layer you want to flip. Once it's highlighted, go up to the top menu bar. From there, click Edit, then move down to Transform and choose Flip Horizontally. As soon as you do that, Photopea will mirror the selected layer from left to right. This is the simplest method and it works great when you want a fast result without using extra tools or shortcuts. If you want a quicker way, there's also a shortcut method. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. On Mac, press Command plus Option plus T. That will activate the free transform box around your layer. Once the box appears, right-click anywhere inside it and select Flip Horizontally from the menu. After the layer flips, press Enter to lock it in and apply the change. This method is especially helpful if you already use transform tools often and want to speed up your workflow. If your layer contains text, just remember that flipping horizontally will mirror the letters too. That can be useful for stylized designs, reflections, or creative effects. But if you want the text to remain readable, make sure you're flipping the correct element and not the full composition. The same goes for layered graphics, where selecting just one object gives you much more control. Another tip is to zoom in and double check your result after flipping. That way, you can confirm the orientation looks right and your background design stays exactly as it should. Photopea makes this process really simple, so once you know where the flip horizontally option is, you can use it anytime in just seconds. And that's how to flip horizontally in Photopea using both the menu method and the shortcut method. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more Photopea guides, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.